Now let's see how to create a custom command based on our own requirement. We can create a new command, and so let's do it. Click on add command, provide a meaningful name. So I just want to log the device. Log description is entirely optional, so I'll just give anything, doesn't matter. So we'll not select any data. The only thing we are going to do is log the device. So then scroll down to log device. Here I can give it a reward. Okay, so now just go down and do a save. So this will just pop up a screen which will just let you know how to send SMS. If you see here, the format is term, your password and the command name. And if you don't want this to be shown again, you just can click do not show again and press OK. So now this is the front screen. You can see the command name and shows the description. You can delete this command if you don't want it. The default command is read only, it can't be deleted. So now from my Nokia phone, we will send a SMS to execute this new command. So this application name, then the password, and the command name is log, and I just send it. So now waiting for the okay. Now you can see that the device has been logged, and the message optional message got displayed on the front screen, and we can see on this device that we got the status report. So I think this is the status report of this newly executed command. So it will send back the SIM serial number, the IMEI number of the SIM card, the phone type, and network operator name, SIM card operator name, the cell ID, the location area code, and what action has been taken. So it has sent device lock. Okay, now we see that we have received more SMS for the default terminate command that we executed. So we received more contacts from the device, and we have also received a status report. Now in this status report we can see that it gives the serial number, SIM serial number, the IMEI number, and the other information of the SIM. Apart from that, it gives the entire history of the actions taken on the device. Message deleted, call log deleted, the Gmail account failed to be deleted, then the device was logged, incoming SMS restriction in place, outgoing call restriction in place, external storage formatted, and will receive a call from the device, how many contacts will receive, and the volume, the ringtone was played on the device. Okay, so there is another feature in Terminator which allows you to get notified whenever a SIM card is changed on the phone. This is helpful in situations if you have lost a phone and the SIM card is replaced on your phone, so you'll get notified about the change number on your phone, so you can track it. So the way to do it is go to menu, click on preferences. So now here you can see on SIM change, just select that, So now notify through SMS, just click on that. You'll be popped up with a dialog box to enter the number wherever you want the SMS notification about SIM card change on your device. So I am entering a number. Okay. Additionally, if you also want some command to be executed whenever a SIM card is changed on your device, you can do that by clicking execute command. This will list down all the commands that are there on the device that you have created. The one is the terminate, the another one is what we created earlier in the demo, lock. So we'll select lock here. Okay. Now let's see all this in action. We'll remove the SIM card from this Android phone and we'll replace it by another SIM card. Just to replace I'll remove the battery. Removing this SIM card, this is a red color SIM card, and we'll place another SIM card which is a white color SIM card. Put back the battery, put on the flap and start the phone. So once this phone boots up, it should do two things. One is send me an SMS notifying me that the SIM card has changed on this handset, as well as execute the lock command. So the screen of this handset should get locked. So I'm waiting for Terminator to start. So Terminator should start shortly on this phone. Okay, so now the phone is locked because the SIM card has changed on this device. Now, so the command got executed, the command lock command got executed. It sometimes takes, okay, so here we have received the SMS. We have received the SMS from the new number. So we can see this is the new number, and the text is to notify that the SIM card has changed on your phone, and it gives the details of the new SIM, the SIM serial number, IMEI number, what type of subscription it is, and the new SIM number is over here, which is selected. It will shortly also send the status report of the executed lock command, but that is not very significant because we have already seen the demo of command execution. Sometimes it takes time for the SMSs to come, so it is ideal to wait for some time, 10-15 minutes at least, before again resending the command. But we have seen, we can see on the device that the action has already taken place. Okay, so we have received another SMS saying that the device has been locked. So now this SIM is a foreign SIM for this device. Once you log into this device, this becomes a accepted SIM. So now if I reboot the device again, it will not send me a notification saying that the SIM is changed. So there are two ways to accept this. One is either log in to the application or into the lock screen. Either of them is fine and it will accept that SIM. Terminator is available with a 3-day trial in the Android market, which can be downloaded from the Android market, and if you like the application you can download the paid version from the Android market. Please let us know your feedback. Send us the feedback. In the application itself there is a provision to send the feedback. If you want to request any enhancement or there is some issues that you feel, you can send us feedback through this. To get more information about the product, about Terminator, please visit us at www.sigmacell.com.